Hi, everyone. We are delighted to be part of the IVYCAP family, and I'm honored to represent Elucidator and share our story with you. We exist in this background of how drug discovery is undergoing a transformation. There's such a huge velocity, volume, and the variety, and also the veracity of molecular data that is now available to scientists, which is just not possible even 5 or 10 years back. And that is transforming how drugs are being discovered today. And in this background, we exist. And in this background, we hope to enable this transformation for such a critical, vital industry. To get more specific, the growth in data has followed Moore's law. Just to give you, a sense of the magnitude that we're talking about, genomic data, which is one of the 50 different kind of data that a scientist at Pfizer or Merck would be using, is going to outpace the growth of YouTube plus Twitter data combined in just a few years from now. Now, while this data growth has been spectacular, uh, the drugs that are being brought to patients it has never been slower, it has never been more expensive to do that. And that trend has its own name, Eroom's law, which is Moore's law spelled backwards, and you get the idea. Now, as a company, our thesis is that this data that is available is not quite usable. It's not ML ready. And that is the problem that we are trying to solve. That is the technology that we have built to address two critical aspects, making sure the data is available and usable to scientists in biopharma industry. And our solution relies on three different things: technology that we have built geared towards R&D teams of pharma, data that we have been making sure it's available from different sources, and finally a team of professional services, which allows you to extract the value out of this data. And we have shown that this technology has had an impact. We are working with more than 40 different companies and labs all over the world. Our technology has been used to demonstrate that discovery of drug targets has been 4 times faster using our technology. We have validated 2 drug targets, one for AML and one for neuroblastoma. We have identified 5 other drug targets in 4 different indications. Again, we cannot be more excited to be here, but we also believe that we're just getting started. And it's wonderful to have IVYCAP as a partner on this journey. And we cannot be more excited about what lies ahead of us. Thank you so much.